What is up, everyone? Tony, what are we doing today?
Car show.
Car show. So, best part about car show, second car show of the year actually, is not the car show itself. It's actually getting to hang out with your friends and have an excuse to drive a car. That's like the best part about it. We got DJ here.
Unbelievably.
Cannot look at him. He showed up. I woke up this morning, saw he was up till like 5 in the morning. I said, no, DJ's not coming.
He's here. Look at him.
Look at you.
Weekend warrior is what they used to call me back in high school.
So Ant and Deidre are actually taking out the S15s, which is awesome. So you're gonna fall in love, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I already know.
Ant's gonna whip the black one.
Of course.
And if I finally have an awesome excuse and the weather's finally good enough to drive the Black Sea. The car I haven't really touched much until recently, and it looks beautiful, and I want to enjoy it. So, Black Sea's coming out. We got Matt's Supra, it's kind of slow. We got Cahill's 8.6. Look at this interior, I love this. This is so 80s. Boom, there's that motor that everyone wanted me to do. So I don't mean this in a negative way, but this is the car I drove and decided not to do a beam swap. and I don't mean that in a negative way. It feels pure, which is crazy. You take a motor that's 20 years, almost 20 years newer than the car, and you usually notice it.
Oh yeah.
But it feels stock in this thing, which is awesome.
And that's what I wanted. I wanted a turnkey seatbelt daily driver.
And that's
just cruise it.
Perfect. But I'll tell you what, it's an awesome motor, but NA, they're still pretty slow.
It's a dog. It's a dog. Absolutely.
Maybe some ITVs in the future?
Yeah, I got to talk to you, man.
Okay. Yeah. We got Tony with his R34, 1J swapped R34. It's just a crazy car. So it's gonna be a good day. Car show videos are always weird to film, but we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try and capture some of it, and I'm just gonna try and enjoy the day. And we have a special guest, Mr. Jip himself.
Howdy.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
How are you? Look at you. Oh, you pulled up an E30. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, a little surprised. The S13 needs a motor.
What's the Jip update? Because people keep asking.
So, bought a house, been renovating it for a year.
Adulting.
Big adult thing. No money, time, so
we'll
pretty soon I'll be back out.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
We'll see you this summer.
Yes.
Trust me, we all miss Jip, but he's been busy, and you don't want to hound your friends too much because then they feel guilty that they're busy, and then it's just, we love them. Speaking of special guests,
That makes it even worse, honestly. The annual rinse.
Drew too?
What's up?
Pulling the S14 out.
Love to see it.
Love to see it. Rare.
Got Walter Water Spot over here. Yeah, you got it. Tucker's just having a fit in the passenger seat. Yep. Hose going right inside. Nothing's changed, dude. Nothing's changed.
What a great way to start the season.
Great day. Got dogs. We're good.
Dunkin' Donut napkins to dry the thing off. Here we go.
Mr. Bear. She pulled up and wanted to drive a car, so we shoved him in the S14.
Hey guys, it's Grubby, and we're test driving the S14 today. I'm so nervous, to be honest, but this is dope.
It's alright, you'll get used to it quick.
I feel right at home, to be honest.
So happy to have everyone out with us right now. I don't remember the Z being this fast. This thing moves now. All right, so this is the CCSU, which is a local college here, car show. I wasn't expecting a big turnout, but it's started 10 minutes ago and they said it's overfilled, which is insane. I love to hear it, honestly. Like the car scene, obviously with everything else, has been a little slow the last few years. It's like really exciting to see things pop back up, so hyped for it. Shout out to our homie Jay Krill for always making sure we get into these shows. Jay always holds it down.
Yo, grab it!
DJ, what are you doing? You're f***ing with me. Jip got in VIP.
Somehow managed to slip that turd in here somehow.
It's that stash.
It was a stash, and I polished that thing enough.
It was actually Benny.
It was Benny.
Benny in the back seat stole the show, right, Bean?
Is that what I think it is?
I think that's it.
I think that's the Stanky Zanky.
No, that's what someone said too. I was like, no way.
Is it?
You were there when we started that car.
That's
When I had my foot out the grill trying to get that thing to turn over.
Oh my god, yo, what is going on?
What are you?
Yo, put that thing on blow.
Get it, Chip.
this guy.
You mean that damn right I was there.
Dude, the Stanky Zanky is here in full effect.
Is that it?
It is no longer the Stanky Zanky.
Is that one right there?
I think it is.
I forget. Well, like you had like 8 of those things. What do you mean?
Its time has shined.
Now it's the danky.
It is now the Danky Zanky.
Danky Zanky. Look at it.
Oh yeah, it's the Stanky Zanky. Look at that, he went full navin on it. He killed it.
He did. Fresh paint.
This is all I want in life. A nice, like, hey, quick. We did this. Nice.
It's hot. Certified fuck.
This is so great to see. I was nervous that the Stanky Zanky would end up in someone's garage on Jack's hands for 4 years.
Behind a garage, in a scrapyard. But it's here, in the flesh.
Oh yeah, that's the steering wheel. So how does it feel that it's no longer the Stanky Zanky?
Feels pretty good.
It looks
I was
great.
paid for once. Thank you. I appreciate
Dude,
it.
everyone's hyped.
Yeah,
Good for
I'm
you.
hyped.
How's it running?
It runs good. It runs
That's good.
Yeah. it's-
Love that. I love it. Well, I love to see it outside, so
Thank
nice
you.
work, buddy.
Thank you, man.
It's Jimmy Oak's car show vlogs, completely stock S chassis. Love to see it.
Does he want to sell it?
Probably not.
You
Too
don't
much.
see bullet holes too often.
What was that?
Is that a bullet hole?
You don't see bullet holes too often in S chassis. This is the first one I've S chassis with a bullet hole I've seen ever.
Came from a good neighborhood. That's
What a
crazy.
spot.
You think it was a bullet or someone just like a pissed off ex-girlfriend?
Pry bar,
Pry bar.
hammer, something.
Someone really wanted that quarter glass and then no.
Missed.
Missed. Heck yeah. All right. There's a lot going on. Let's just point the camera at stuff and have fun. Yellow car appreciation. V6
I don't
S4.
V6.
It's V6.
S4.
S4. Did I say that? Killed it. Love it. Whoever's car this killed it. Yellow. Good yellow. Amora. It's Amora, right? I don't know. It's great.
Amore. It's
Yep.
Amore.
We have unlocked area number 2. So I mean, car shows are cool, right? I mean, you see a lot of the same cars. FRSs, Miatas, R32s, WXs. It's like most of car shows. It's good to see. Don't be anti-car show. Go out, meet some new people, meet some new car friends, see your friends. It's just a good excuse. What's up, buddy? How are you? A lot of Audis. A lot of
yeah.
Audis. You know why?
lot.
Because they're probably all friends, which is great.
Yep.
That's it. Come with your homies. I don't care if your thing's 4 different colors. Get outside. I'm saying this. I'm trying, all right? I understand front wheel drive Volkswagens aren't in right now, but Corrados will always be the coolest thing ever.
Damn, it's clean.
Like Volkswagen went crazy when they built this car in like well, I guess it's the late 80s, right? They designed this thing. I think it was supposed to go to Porsche and Porsche was just like, nah, you can have it.
Yep.
And then we got this. They're so cool. Brian has one. It's gangster. You just under a tarp in his mom's backyard. One day he'll rear-wheel drive swap it because these things look like they're rear-wheel drive, don't they?
Yep.
Volkswagen Corrado. Get one because they're. I just want one. They're like
Buy Brian's.
You can get a really nice one for like $4 grand. They used to be so much money.
Good.
Rear-wheel drive. How dope would that be?
K-Series.
K-Series.
SR20.
rear-wheel drive. SR20.
Ha ha ha.
VR6. Duh. It's kind of funny how R33 is just blending with the wilds.
DJ!
Oh, collateral damage, dude!
Damn it, Donald. Look at.
What's up, man?
What's up? How are you?
So small.
How about yourself?
Pretty good. R33 GTR. It just blends in. They're just so casual.
Look at it.
Whose car is this?
Honest looking car.
It's an honest looking car. It's a good way to put it. I'll own one one day. We're gonna do it.
Yep.
2022.
33 GTR.
33. And
So if you see a
2022.
video that says, what car did I buy now?
It's probably this.
Probably. Maybe.
Maybe.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Look at all those chickens.
How much for this thing right now?
Dude, it's got a built motor and a turbo kit.
Bullshit. No
Yes,
way.
sir.
Pop the hood real quick. Built motor with turbo kit. Let's see what he got. Hey boys, I love that. Tommy manifold. Didn't expect it. Love to see it. Killed it.
I'm like the only S13 here, bro. Where you at?
We got the 14 and 15 over there.
Yeah, that's cheating, man. I'm not that rich. JP built the motor.
Bullshit. Did Derek tune it?
No, turbo mic and masked it.
How much it makes?
Right now, 300 to the wheels with a full
That's so
Terminator.
much fun.
Yeah.
Good for you. That's awesome, dude. I love
I'm
it.
Dave, by the way. Nice to meet you.
What was this a bullet hole? What was this?
It is a bullet hole.
It is a bullet hole. Confirmed.
Yes, sir. Yeah. For sure.
I'll catch you around, all right?
Yep. You guys be good.
Yeah,
Later,
you too. That's awesome. I love that. That's cool. He's using that thing properly.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I hate to admit it, but I'm such a freaking sucker for the 2022 BRZs and GR86s. Like, look at this thing. This dude already has his bagged on polished consize. Consize, dude? Polished consize. Dude, this is it. The white's the color. Too bad these aren't impossible to get. If anyone knows of one that's manual, for sale at the dealership, DM me. These don't exist.
All gone.
All gone. Subaru stopped taking orders for them a month ago because they already sold out for the year, which is nuts. It's fucking April. And the GR86 is a year out if you order one.
So
Crazy.
you're trying to get out of that loan.
I gotta go buy some Evan Shanks and Dusty Williams t-shirts and I might win one.
Yep.
Damn, dude, this is so freaking cool, the car. They killed it on this car. Subaru. So actually, Toyota designed the looks of it. Toyota, you killed it, buddy. We got to give some love to our buddy Kooky Tony here with his R34 1JC swap car, which is awesome. It's like, it's kind of wrong, but also so right at the same time. Curl Lifestyle, if you guys want to follow his YouTube channel, check it out. How are you?
Not bad, yourself. How was the cruise?
Some goodies.
Oh, yeah.
Some goodies. Ooh, double vlogging. Ooh, okay. Kooky Tony, right here. That's it. That's the guy. Is that Johnny Little? Is that the Johnny Little? Also known as Johnny Shit? Johnny, what are you doing here?
Come to see my people.
Yeah, this is your people?
What's up, man?
What's up, Johnny?
The one car made before 1980s here.
I was just attracted to it, you know, and this is me right here. One day, Jimmy, we'll get you in something like that.
You want a Nova?
I do.
I want a Camaro. Put a little 2J in it.
Okay, okay.
Make it happen, all right?
We could do that.
I know a guy.
Just give me a checkbook.
We want to thank you guys for coming out. I know it was kind of unideal with the parking situation. We're hoping to expand.
Best pup.
for,
Tuck
next
won it.
fall.
I'm
So,
accepting for Drew.
Once again, we
Want to
thank
win
you guys for
best
supporting
dog
us.
by a corgi.
Yep.
Tucker wins
That's the
every
cheat
year
code.
here. So,
We're
Drew,
really grateful
congratulations,
for you
buddy.
guys.
Tucker
So
just won.
be what it is.
By association, I feel pretty cool.
Yeah, you should.
Look at him. Look how beautiful he is. He deserves this trophy. I award you best pup.
Let's go!
No way.
Y'all see what the heck
That's right,
is going
Tucker.
on.
Let's go, baby.
Pose with it, buddy.
This is like your third time winning, Tuck. Benny's like, where's my trophy?
Keep all the trophies too. They're all sitting in his bedroom.
Someone in the crew took a trophy home. We killed it.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Nice work holding it down, Tuck. You killed it, buddy. Just existing.
We're out here, no plate. Came out here for the fans. Took home the trophy. Y'all see what's going on.
You just let him go? There's no way.
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Ain't got no gas.
So I've heard.
That's
Bad.
That's different. Ant says it's fixable.
For sure.
Well, you know, Brian's got a hammer and a dolly.
Give him a chicken sandwich. That thing
Chicken sandwich. That thing will be brand new.
That sucks. That poor thing. Well, he didn't get hurt, so that's all that matters. He didn't get hurt, which is good.
Dad's bank account is definitely hurt.
His bank account's set up differently. If you let his son whip that.
You come out of GTR with Ultima Energy, things happen different.
It happened.
Let's get out of here.
Would you whip that GTR?
I'll whip that thing, but the S15, you gotta keep it cool, low,
Keep it cool.
tame.
Same. So pumped you guys got the drive.
Lizzie's getting all the love today too. Look at
That's
it.
good.
Hood's open on the Meisters.
This car is beautiful, dude. Like, this is Sammy's favorite car.
Hey, you're talking about my car?
Yeah.
Someday, it'll be in my garage. This thing's so beautiful.
And it's like hitting today, like it was
Yeah.
cold weather. I'm like, I don't remember it being this
Oh, the
fast.
sun's not out.
Yeah, the sun's. It makes the paint look nice.
Ethanol? Yes.
Yes. coming soon. RIP to the GTR. Kid's okay. That's good. That's all that matters. Still hurts. But it's awesome to have the guys out. And I just want to take a moment to just like see all 3 cars together. It definitely feels absolutely crazy to like pull up and just see this. How nuts?
Nuts.
Nuts.
So nuts.
It's a sight to see.
How bad do you want an S15 now?
I want.
We're gonna find you one. We'll find you one. Subscribe to DJ No Way so we could get him an S15.
15. This car's so freaking cool.
I'm glad you like it, dude.
So freaking cool.
I'm proud. I'm very freaking proud. Just keep going up, boys. Just keep going up. Such a damn good car. So, oh my god, it's so much warmer in here. It's so cold out. This car has an undersized intercooler. It's like probably the last mod that it really needs. And so like, since it's cold out, this little intercooler is like actually putting in work. And it feels fast. Like, well, it's not fast, but it feels quick. I wish SRs weren't so expensive because it's just such a damn good motor for this car in so many different ways, but. Damn. That poor fence. I will never get over how this car sounds. It is nuts. This thing rips.
Alright, so when you first bought the car, remember?
Yeah.
I drove it back.
Smooth.
I said it was the best S chassis I ever drove.
Yeah.
And it's still a proven fact. The best S chassis
Dude hops
ever
out.
driven.
He slams, I'll drive this bitch to California right now.
I would. You gotta go there, I'll take it.
I love it. Dude, I'm so proud of the Black Z right now. It's never had this great of drivability. Like, it's so smooth, it makes awesome power, it makes all the right noises, and it looks stellar.
It don't rub.
It don't rub, that's for sure. Damn, what a car. It looks pretty damn fucking good. Z's are so slept on, but here's like, Z's could look so bad so easily, and that's the issue. There's a lot of bad ones out there. But look, dude, they could be so good. Go buy a Z. Jack those prices up, boys. All right, so I'm posting this video a few days later, and you guys have probably seen that GTR clip all over the internet. It's been like an hour, and I feel like I've already seen it everywhere. That sucks. It's a very expensive, I didn't realize how expensive his car is. It's a $250,000 car. I don't want to put the kid on blast, but that really sucks. Don't be that guy. Take it easy leaving a car show. I know it's hard, there's a lot of peer pressure. Maybe make some pops and bangs if you gotta, but oh boy. So, amazing day. It's been so cool, like, being able to like throw friends in cars and, you know, let them have an excuse to come out, have my cars out, have my friends out. It's just like a completely triple win-win. It's kind of crazy to see. Whatever, I could ramble on forever. But hopefully next video we'll get the parts back for the blue S15. In the last video, I got a lot of comments about the wing. Everyone's like, you need to leave it wingless. And I might. I'm gonna put the rest of the kit on and see how it looks wingless. And if we like that, we can just leave it. And I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know what footage we got or how much rambling on it is, but you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys very shortly.